What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by Terminal Lance Gaming and checking this video out. I wanted to put this one quick video out. I'm a rogue playing secrets. As you can see from my past couple of videos, I love the secrets. They're a lot of fun, but this particular video, I didn't think I was going to win, but I stuck with it, played my card, stuck to my hand, and walked away with a fantastic win. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and check my other videos out and subscribe. Thumbs up, drop me a comment if you have any suggestions. With that said, let's jump into the video. Hoorah!
Job's done.
Perjury. When your turn starts, discover and cast a secret from another class. So that stays up there. Plagiarize or discover a secret. Let's put that up there.
Job's done.
That'll give me a free card.
You fell right into my trap.
Okay. I have 3, so I taunt. Or do we want this one? Discover. Let's discover a secret. Card in a turn, deal 6 damage. If you place 3 cards, get a copy after. Cast a spell. The enemy plays a card. Let's go with that one. So we kind of got to hit one of these dudes here.
Job's done.
Reverberations in the void.
Friendly minion dies, return it to your hand. Is it minions? Want.
My shield for Argus.
We need to pop that one.
They're on to us.
Bust that one down a minute.
Tazdingo! Yes!
Secrets. So we have 1 taunt at the end of your opponent's turn. So he's gonna kill that and that. Do we attack? Do we go for it? He's gonna frickin' wipe that out. Just gonna end the turn. gonna make him kill that card off. There's no sense in... because I would just trade, I would lose my cards.
The dark path is my destiny. Hey, I got you, friend.
Damage to all enemies when your hero is attacked. Gain 8 armor. Ooh. Explosive trap would come in really handy right now. So 4, so sketchy stranger.
Were you followed?
Our opponent casts a spell, counter it. So we can do 2 more secrets, maybe. Discover a secret from another class. Place a card in
Too
turn.
soon.
Spell. End the turn. I'm gonna make you attack me.
My shield for Argus.
See if this works. Very nice. So we can get adjacent minions, 1/1, and taunt. So we'll pop
My
that one in
shield for
there.
Argus.
Or do we want to plagiarize? So we are going to hit that one. Kind of don't want to
They're on to us.
take that one out.
A minion with taunt is in the way. That's not a valid target. That's not a valid
They're
target.
on to us. They're on to us.
Okay. A little better. Little better.
Glory! I'm here for the gold!
Back up to 30. Okay, now it's time.
I never lie, but I never tell the truth.
Do 2 damage to all enemies. Enemy minion attacks. It costs 2 more. I kind of like that explosive trap.
Glory!
That out
I'm here
there.
for the gold.
Taunt. All enemies. Friendly menu dice. We'll do the counter.
Into the breach! Into the breach!
Now we have a taunter. We have a taunter there. Another taunter there. Another secret. Your opponent plays a minion. Ooh, that's brutal.
Into the breach! Something's behind! Send them overboard!
Job's done.
Okay. He might concede. This took a long time to build up,
Handle it!
but looks pretty damn good there. 19. Gotta do it.
Dingo! Yes.
Oh, snap. Snap, snap. Oh, taunt, death rattle, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll just.
Send them over! Something's behind! Into the breach!
Good game. Good game. That was a little iffy there at first. We pulled that fucker out. Damn.